Hi, my name is John Driebe. As one of the owners of Mazda Roseville, along with Marco Buscaglia, our operating partner, we would like to thank you and congratulate you on your recent vehicle purchase and welcome you to our family. One of the things that we are most proud of is the service we provide after the sale. Our company has been serving the Sacramento area for 20 years, and a large part of our success comes from repeat and referral clients. We learned a long time ago that our only chance at selling you a second vehicle or having you refer a friend is when we take great care of you after the sale. I'd like to take just a moment and introduce you to our service department. We are open to serve you Monday to Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The easiest way to schedule an appointment is online at MazdaRoseville.com. Simply click the Service tab, then you will see the appointment scheduler. Don't forget, your first service is included with your purchase. We have a skilled team of factory-trained and certified technicians, along with hundreds of thousands of dollars in Mazda parts inventory to better serve you. Most all of your service visits will include a multi-point video inspection, where we will send you a video of exactly what we see. Your car will always be returned cleaner than when it came in, as well as a loaner vehicle will be made available, provided you have proper insurance on all major services. And for no contact service or scheduling convenience, you can take advantage of our after-hours drop-off service located on the main service drive using our night drop box at any time. We look forward to providing you many years of happy motoring, and again, thank you for your business and the trust that you have placed in us. We won't let you down.